We got us some incredible Tomahawk steaks here, some incredible cheeses. So we're at the meat market here in DC, and you know, when I'm on these road trips, I like to take care of my guys. I like to treat them to a really nice meal. We're gonna go back and we're all gonna get together and we're gonna cook up a really nice meal. We're gonna get some fresh veggies, some fresh meat, and it's gonna be awesome. So these are some fine cuts of a ribeye with the bone on. A little different from my cuts on my farm. I tend to leave the bone all the way up the top, but it sure does taste good with it on there. There's some killer brie here. There's all kinds of cool cheeses here. I could go crazy in this place. So tell me about your brie here. So you're the expert. Yours is really good. Wow. Are you a brie fan?
Yeah.
You're gonna like that one. Go ahead and pick a piece off of there.
I like this one.
Wow. Is that all you have of that one?
No, I have one.
I love it. The flavor complexity of bries for a guy like me, and there's lots of people that are in the flavoring industry, that's why we like bries so much. Anything else you can recommend that I can, okay. You pick.
Goat cheese.
Okay. You are a connoisseur.
Is it too goaty for you?
No. I'm impressed. I'll take it.
If you wanted a soft cheese, I was going to recommend Oregon's Road River Blue.
That's an interesting top note.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, much sweeter. That's amazing.
That's nice.
Absolutely amazing. We always like to stop off and grab some local meats, some aged meats, and in this case, some really cool cheeses. We got us some incredible Tomahawk steaks here, some incredible cheeses. What do you think?
Looking forward to the feast that's coming tonight.
Yeah, I'm feeling it too, man. My stomach's growling. Can't wait to get back to the house. Wait, we still got one more stop. We had an incredible adventure getting the cheese and the incredible steaks at Scott, the photographer. Scott, you didn't see those steaks yet, did you? Well, the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go get us some fresh vegetables. Duke and I are gonna pick out some fun stuff. Then we're gonna go home and cook those steaks. Like I said earlier, we're going to do something special. We're all going to participate. Right now, Dr. Duke and I are kind of dressing them out. We're staying at an Airbnb, so part of the fun, you don't know what's going to be here.
You know, when you go to an Airbnb, it's a good place to bond with the team, and looking forward to the end product and enjoying the evening.
Yeah, me too. And these steaks look good enough to eat right now.
You know, because we're having steak, we will have red wine tonight. I'm excited for the guys. You know, I drink a lot of wine, but I want to make sure the guys enjoy the accompaniment of the grape juice as well.
So we are going to try a goat cheese tonight. I'm not a huge fan of goat cheese, and maybe I just haven't had the right goat cheeses. I don't know. But Elijah told us about a goat cheese, and we're going to try that again with the guys tonight. I think it's going to be pretty good. Okay. I want the camera guys, because they're working so hard to try the cheese. So I'm the flavor guy. I'm not the camera guy, so don't judge me. So we're trying a French brie that we procured today, right there next to our super steaks, while we wait for the oven to heat up. And everybody here is a brie fan, so that's really unusual. Rich wears many hats. He knows what I know. He's been with me since 1987, a really good friend. So I do like this goat cheese though, Dr. Duke. Cameraman Scott.
I like that.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go, my friend. Hold your hand out. We're gonna try one more goat. It's getting soft, so you're gonna get a nice chunk on this one. Hold on, Scott. Let's clean both sides. Anyway, that blue cheese is amazing.
Yeah.
That was good. Highly recommend it.
Hi, I'm Rich. Gonna do some asparagus here. Now we're gonna salt and pepper it. And then we're gonna throw some bacon on it. That's gonna be good. We're going to cut up the broccoli. This is gonna be good. All right.
Wow, that is sweet. Fantastic. So let's flip these bad boys. The aroma is just fantastic.
That's amazing. You cry.
Enough work, guys. Let's eat. Here.